Yeah? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, Master's going to kill me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Come here, little pieces. Oh. Oh dear. Oh. Ow. Owie. Master, I'm so sorry. The dish was wet and it slipped out of my hands. I'll clean up the pieces. Please don't come any closer. I know you have shoes on, but there's broken glass on the floor. Yeah? Master? I haven't cleaned up yet. Where are we going? Master, please. Please don't throw me out. I'll be good. I promise. I won't break anything. Just please. Oh. Wait. This is the restroom. Why are we... Master, why did you put me on the counter? I know we natural are light, but I don't think this is a place to sit. Pa? You want my hand? But Master, it's bleeding. I don't want to get any on you. Yes, Master. Master, I'm so sorry. Please, you don't have to treat this. It's just a scratch. I'm alright. This isn't Master's job. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, Master. I would never. I'm the one who broke the plate. And I'm so sorry. I promise it won't happen again. I didn't mean to be trouble for you. I'm just really trying hard to be the best maid for you, and... Master? We shouldn't do something like this. Now folk will ruin your reputation. Yes, Master. You're in charge. If you say it's okay. But is it really? No. Of course I like it, Master. I've been in love with you since you first took me in, and... I didn't mean to say that. Why did I say that? I shouldn't have said that, Master. Forgive... You like me too, Master? Even though I'm a maid and a young folk? Really? I love you too, Master. Thank you, Master. My hand? It feels better. Thank you, Master. Yes, Master. I'll be more more careful from now on. A broom? Why didn't I think of that?